Hey guys, welcome to Nailmas Day 20. Today I wanted to do something that would be super easy and quick if you needed a really quick last minute festive manicure, and this came too and I kind of like it. All you really need is a red cream polish, a green sparkly, and some acrylic paint. So let's start. As you can see, I've already put on my red base, and now I'm doing a dry brush method in like 3 different spots of my sparkly green polish. After that, I'm taking in some golden acrylic paint and putting in some little lines. As you can see, well, they're kind of thicker lines, but this is commonly done in a lot of my abstract manicures. I think I posted one over the summer that is very similar to this, just summer themes. And this time I just turned it all Christmassy with red, gold, and green and some stars. So after the golden little spots are done, we are going to go in with some white acrylic paint. And with the white acrylic paint, I'm going to sketch in about 1 star per nail. And then I'm going to do little clusters of 3 dots. And after that, I'm going to go in and put in just kind of like a little, I don't know what you would call it, kind of like a shine. I don't know. It's kind of like a star that you would do in a galaxy. It's not actually the shape of like a star that you would draw on paper, if that makes any sense. And I think you guys can see that as I do it, obviously. And then once you have all of that done, you are done. You just want to let your manicure dry, put on a shiny top coat, and call it done. You do not have to do this design on all of your nails. In my case, I did it on 3, so I had it on my 2 main fingers, my index and my middle, and then I had the green on the other 2, and then I also actually did the design on my thumb as well. Plus, I feel like the great thing about this design is that it is so quick and easy that you could do it on both hands as well and not have to worry about like not being able to paint your other hand to match, because in this case the design is so easy you can, in my opinion. So that is it for today. I really actually like how this came out, and I'm glad it did come out because I was having a really hard time with coming up of what to do for today for some reason. I was having like creative nail painting block. So I'm glad that I got out of it with this design, and now I'm off to work on tomorrow's video. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and watching. I can't believe how far we are into this thing and that it's almost over. It's kind of bittersweet. Lots of fun things coming up afterwards. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.